I never eat before 1 p.m. But you know what? This morning I am starving. So we're going to get started a little bit early today. Happy Wednesday, guys. Woo! Here we are making some tea. I love this little thing. I'm just saying. I got it one day. It was the deal of the day on Amazon, and I just bought it, and it's awesome. I love it. Saves a lot of time. So yeah, I'm just checking in real quick. Oh, I just got out of the shower, as you can tell. Tea's done. Water's done. Yeah, we're gonna go for a nature walk, I think. Gonna go for a nice little walkie. I don't think I'm gonna take Bubba because it's too hot. I like to take him out on the cooler days. You know, it's just easier on him. So what should I have? Should I have blueberry, roasted dandelion, tangerine? We're going with tangerine. Yeah, so I'm just checking in real quick, saying hi, hello. I looked at myself instead of the camera, that's bad. Yeah, we'll just see what happens today. Not really too many plans. I think I'm going to study and read and just chill. Let's see what this says. Fredi. Love is an experience of infinity. Thanks, yogis. That's cute. I swear I can read. I'm not just saying that. Okay, well, I'm going to get off of here. This is not very exciting, so I will see you guys later. Cheers. Good girl. What a beautiful afternoon. Me and little Nuggie over here, we're just enjoying the porch. Look at the sky. It's just so beautiful. We love home. We just love it. I'm on my little nature walk here, and I just wanted to show you, this is my favorite little spot. I just love it. I painted some rocks and threw them in there last year. I see one of those peace rocks down there. I'm gonna leave it for somebody else to get because I always have a problem replanting them somewhere, replanting. So yeah, here we are. I love it. I actually have my tote here with me. Hey, Benji! Because we are walking down to the nearby store to grab some veggies for dinner tonight. A cabbage, a zucchini, squash, anything. I don't know, whatever we find. How have I never realized before that that would be the perfect place to do yoga out here? Out here in the woods. Doing it! I just decided to come down here to my favorite spot. I brought my flower. I'm not even kidding, I just started crying. Not really crying, but I definitely teared up while I was walking down here, and I picked this flower. Jesus. Oh, one of those days. And there's more pieces. That one's a shell, so yeah. How cool. See, sniffling. I'm not kidding, I was tearing up. Sometimes I just feel so much gratitude for nature. I mean, how can you not? Oh, gosh. So, yeah, I'm going to sit here for a little bit and reflect. Pause and reflect. So this is what we got. Squash, a pepper, some red cabbage, asparagus, and we're gonna have some smoothies. Strawberry banana smoothies. Yep. I'll be back later. Oh my god, these things smell so good. Alright, we're back. I'm just checking in. We are getting ready to cook our dinner for me and Mom Babe. Cutting up all the veggies and whatnot. Tiki Beaky here, her's loving the cabbage. Yes, her loves it. So yeah, that's it for right now. I don't think you guys care to watch me cut up veggies and shit, so, oh, we're having asparagus too. Maybe. You know what? I think I'm going to save this, actually. I'm going to save that. Yeah, so I will see you guys later. If only you knew how good this smelled right now. Oh my gosh. Mom Babe better hurry it up. I'm ready to eat. It's coming. It's so good. It's coming. It's coming. Anybody else like fish? Any other fish heads out there?